Once you've built your rocket and you're ready to launch it, there's a few things that you have to consider. When you take a look at your launcher, your first decision will be where you want the launch base to be set. You can have it at 90 degrees so that the launch angle here is at 90. You can turn it clockwise or you could turn it counterclockwise, and you'll want to record that on your data sheet before you make the launch. I'm going to leave mine at 90 degrees, and once I'm set with that, I'm going to take our weights, set them on the side so that the launcher won't move once we launch. Second decision is where you want the launch arm, what angle you want that to be at. Right now we've got the launch arm angle set at 45 degrees. You can change the launch arm to 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 75, or 90. The way you make the change is you take the metal clip off the top and pull it out. I'm going to slide this one up to 75 degrees. Take the pin out, the metal pin, and slide it back in so it goes into the hole in the launch arm. Then slide the clip over. Once you've got that set, you want to put that on your data sheet as well. Next, you'll take your rocket. Likely you'll have water in it if you're using water for the launch. Your water will be in here. You'll need to take the stopper out that's connected to the rubber tube, and you'll place that into your neck of your bottle. Now, it oftentimes helps to add a little bit of petroleum jelly to the outside of this stopper so that it slides in easier. You'll need to place the stopper in firmly. Then when you tip it up, the water won't come out. You might need to ask a partner right now to take the tube at the bottom of the launching arm and pull that tube down and help you feed that back in so that the rocket sits down on the launch arm base. Now this is very important. The edges of the zip tie need to be over the neck of the bottle, over the rim. If they're up above that, the launch won't work. So make sure that those edges of the zip tie are on the neck of the bottle. Once it's in place, you'll slide the tube up to the neck of the bottle, hold it there with one hand, then you'll place the metal clip underneath the tube. Now your rocket should be ready for launch. The next consideration you need to make is how much air pressure you want to put into the bottle. That decision will be made with the bicycle pump. On here we've got an air pressure gauge that measures in pounds per square inch. Don't exceed 40 psi. For this practice launch, I'm going to pump it up to 30. Once you have it to your desired air pressure, you want to make sure that everyone's clear of the launch site. You'll take the cord, which will be pulled down, and it will pull the clamp off and release the bottle rocket. You also like to count down for this one. 3, 2, 1. Blast off.